Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Tawba. وما كان استغفار إبراهيم لأبيه إلا عن موعدة وعدها إياه فلما تبين له أنه عدو لله تبرأ منه إن إبراهيم لأواه حليم. Translation. And prayer of Ibrahim for forgiveness of his father was only due to a promise he made to him. But when it became clear to Ibrahim that his father was an enemy to Allah, he disassociated himself. Surely Ibrahim was kind-hearted and forbearing. Inshallah, we will study in Surah Maryam that Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam prayed for his father. His father did not accept the truth and was an opponent of Ibrahim alayhi salam and was threatening him to murder him. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, due to his respect to his father, said that I will pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for your forgiveness. And because of this promise, he continued to ask istighfar for his father, but it did not mean that Ibrahim alayhi salam wanted his father to be forgiven as a mushrik, but his intention was that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala giving him the guidance and tawfiq so that he is out of his shirk and accept Islam, and this will forgive his sins. And when Sahaba Karam radiallahu ta'ala anhum read in Quran about Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam's istighfar towards his father, they thought that we should also do istighfar for our polytheist parents. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that Ibrahim alayhi salam asked for forgiveness and istighfar for his father just because of his promise that he made to his father. But when he was sure that his father is dying on kufr and will not be accepting Islam, he stopped asking for istighfar for his father. In the beginning, he used to pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because of his kind-heartedness and his love towards his father. But when the chances that his father will come to Islam were abolished, he stopped asking for his father's maghfirah. In a hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that at the time of the resurrection, Ibrahim alayhi salam will ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, it is your promise that you will not disgrace me, but what could be a bigger source of disgrace that my father will be thrown in the hellfire in front of everyone. At that time, Ibrahim alayhi salam's father's face will be changed to a hyena, which is a type of dog, and the angels will drag him in the hellfire. This possibly will be done so that the people will not recognize Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam's father, and when nobody could recognize him, that what thing is thrown in the hellfire, nobody would know, and Ibrahim alayhi salam will not be disgraced by seeing his father going in the hellfire. Wallahu alam. Let's pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and make us steadfast on the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.